Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy beginners. First, establish clear, achievable learning objectives. Begin by introducing the most fundamental concepts and basic skills, ensuring a solid understanding before moving forward. Break down complex tasks into simple, actionable steps. For instance, dedicate the first 20 minutes of each session to foundational drills. This initial structure helps beginners build confidence and a robust base from day one. Next, implement structured practice sessions with clear, concise instructions. Offer immediate, constructive feedback, highlighting both strengths and areas for improvement. For example, after a 5-minute practice, give 2 specific points of praise and 1 area to refine. Encourage beginners to engage in small, consistent practice sessions, perhaps 15 minutes every day, rather than one long weekly session. This regular engagement reinforces learning effectively. To further solidify learning, regularly review core concepts. Introduce progressively challenging scenarios that require critical thinking, moving beyond simple recall. For instance, present a problem and ask them to brainstorm 3 potential solutions before offering guidance. Guide beginners to discover solutions independently, fostering their problem-solving abilities. This approach helps them internalize knowledge deeply and develop resilience when facing new obstacles. Finally, cultivate a growth mindset, celebrating every small victory and milestone achieved. Gradually encourage exploration of more advanced topics, perhaps introducing 1 new complex idea every 2 weeks. Empower beginners to become self-directed learners by providing resources and encouraging independent research. The goal is to transform them into confident, capable individuals who can continue their learning journey autonomously, building lasting expertise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.